Right, where was I up to? Can you hold that for a sec?
Yeah.
Here it is.
The handy closer up to the logs, that's why they always use copper like the sword barrel. And then they don't waste them. So you put 18 inches on.
Oh yeah,
Well,
just for
these